have a brand new Hohner Atlantic accordion in black. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons with 4 reeds on the treble side, low and 3 middle. We have 11 switches on the treble side. 11 switches on the treble side. I'll go through the switches so you can hear them. This is the low and 2 middle. 3 middle. That's your Musette. Low. Low and middle, Bandonian. Middle. Low and 3 middle, master switch. 3 middle. So this is a duplicate. 2 middle. Clarinet, this is also a duplicate. Low and 2 middle. And 2 middle. It has triple Musette, so I'll demonstrate the difference between the Musettes. Here is the most tremolo one. Then we have this one, a little bit drier, and we have our full Musette, all 3. We have 3 switches on the bass side. Brand new accordion. It's a very beautiful grill with the gold and the black. It's sort of a classic look. White bellows, very classic design. And it has a beautiful Musette, which I will play for you so you can hear it.